My name is Mallika and I founded the Leather Laundry back in 2015. We basically repair and restore luxury leather products and we've been around the last 9 years. We are doing all kinds of repair and restoration jobs, deep cleaning, heel and sole replacement, minor mending, darning, stitching, changing the color of leather products altogether. We've had a lot of instances wherein people have given their products from their grandparents or great grandparents' times. I had this very premium patron of ours, and she wanted to get her great grandmother's clutch restored so that she could carry the clutch, on her wedding day. So we did that for her. When we received the products at our workshop, I, along with my senior team, we thoroughly inspect each and every product, trying to understand what is the work that is to be done. And then we give all kinds of viable solutions to our customers. Upon their heads up, we give a spec sheet to every technician, clearly mentioning every minute detail of the work that is to be carried out on the product. So we make sure that the product is done to absolute perfection, and at the Leather Laundry we have a very keen eye for detail, and quality is our USP. So we ensure that we restore every product without tampering with its authenticity and brand originality. At the Leather Laundry, we eventually intend on building up a culture of leather care in India. We really want to educate people around leather. We want to bust a lot of misconceptions and myths around leather. And we want to help them take more informed decisions while purchasing leather products.